What about you?
We are good.
What are you discussing?
Do you know what day is today?
Yes, it is the 16th December, our victory. Right, Nilay. On this day, we victory over Pakistan brutal armies.
We fought nearly 9 months to achieve our victory and 3 million people died in the war.
Yes, 16 December is not only merely a yearly calendar. It is a day of great thrill. It is a day of great victory, our national.
Okay, listen. I was wondering what we can do for the freedom fighters. What do you say?
Of course, there are many disadvantaged freedom fighters in our country. We can help them financially.
Moreover, we can distribute food, clothes and any other things among their families. It's a good idea. I know a disadvantaged freedom fighter in my area. Let's help him with some food for now.
Let's go. Can you give me 2 kg rice?
2 kg rice.
2 liters soybean oil.
2 liters soybean oil.
Half kg dal.
Half kg dal.
1 packet biscuit. Please give me.
Is Mr. Sadachab at home? Is Mr. Sadachab at home? I am Jurai, son of Jahangir Ali.
Oh, how is your father?
Yes, Alhamdulillah. That is fine.
Me, my daughter, come with some chair.
We heard you fought in the liberation war. Actually, we are grateful to you. You have liberated our country with so much difficulty.
Although we suffered, that time we did not feel pain because we fought for our motherland. We made the country free from Pakistan.
We have come with some things for you and your family.
Meme come